Mindfulness exercises, which help you focus on the present rather than ruminate over the past or worry about the future, are consistently linked with reduced risk of depression and anxiety, increased gratitude, and better focus. This video will give you guidance for doing a walking meditation. Whether you walk up and down your hallway, through the living room, or do a lap around your block, focusing your attention on what you see, hear, and feel under your feet, even what you smell, can help you connect to the present moment. Your eyes should be open at all times, and you get bonus points for bare feet. So let's begin with heel lift. So a connected heel lift. Right and left, roll through the foot, and start to notice how your feet feel in your shoes. Start to notice as you look up ahead, what do you see? How is your breathing? As you warm through the feet, how do your legs feel? Really lift the heel. And warming through the ankle, knee, and hip, start to move your arms a little more. Inhaling and exhaling. Great. Now let's place your right foot forward and your left foot back. And we're just gonna rock from heel on the front foot to toe on the back. So lift and lower. Think about your balance. Your feet can be more hip distance apart, or if your balance feels great, one foot can be behind the other. Think about how it feels as your weight shifts forward and back. Is your core strong? And notice your breath. Let's add some challenge here. So the next time we rock, weight back to the back foot, hover the front foot. Good. Rock forward and hover the back toe. Try that again. Hover and hover. Keep your gaze straight ahead and feel your chest lift. Your posture's beautiful, your head's back. Let's hold the front foot up. Take a moment for balance. And then we can step that foot back. Set ourselves up to start to rock forward and back. Try and keep your head above your heart above your hips. As you roll from one foot to the other. Peel the toe and then the heel up off the ground as much as possible. Even this is a balance challenge, isn't it? And then let's try one foot more behind the other. If that doesn't feel good, open back to a more open stance. But notice as you look ahead, how does your lower body feel? Is your upper body warming as well? Feel your breath. And here's your option to hover the front foot. Hold. Good. Roll down and hold the back foot up. Is one side easier than the other? Good. Let's challenge our pace. Hover. Hover. So we're not as connected. Think about your posture, what you're seeing, the sensations in your feet, ankles, knees, and hips. Good, let's switch our lead leg again. So for this, we're gonna walk forward. So we're gonna take that same movement, Lift the back heel, lift the front knee, step ahead, and then bring that back foot up to meet the front. So a rocking horse stride. Lift the knee as far up as it's comfortable. Keep that same foot in front. Keep going. Look straight ahead. Notice the environment around you. What are you seeing? What are you feeling? Let's go back and forth one more time with the same leg in front. Sensations as you roll through the foot. Last time, side to side, or if you're walking down the block, you're just going to continue on this same lead leg. You can start to shift more on this last bit. Keep your chest lifted and shift the level of your body. Great. Now let's try the other leg in front. So step, roll back and forth for a moment, time or two. And then we'll lift, lower, and step up. Instead of looking down, keep looking ahead and notice what's in front of you. The sights, the sounds, the smells. Stay on that same leg. Notice the changes in your core. Keep your breathing even and regular. All right, we have just a few more to go. Are your legs starting to feel any differently than they did when you first started? Maybe you're warmer. You can start to change the level of your body, challenge your balance more as you step ahead. Good, how'd you do? Let's do some heel ball toe walking now. So head is back, shoulders over hips, and we'll just roll. Heel ball toe. So pay special attention to how it feels as you walk down the street, down your hallway, down your driveway. Easy breathing. Let's change this walk just a little bit. We're gonna go toe ball heel. So it's almost like we're smashing something on the floor, pressing down through the heel. A little different than we usually walk. Let's try it again. Toe ball heel. Do your legs feel differently? Feel your feet in your shoes. Feel the temperature of the air. And always come back to the breath. How'd you do today?